Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps freezing on Suno. We click on settings. Here you will scrolling down until you find apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Suno. In this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that, you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget, super